We've learned a lot from the experts about preventing the spread of coronavirus, or COVID-19. Ensuring the highest levels of clean should not be reserved for times of crisis. It's why we are making a commitment to transform the definition of airline cleanliness and create a higher standard of clean, Delta Clean. Here's how we're leading the charge. First, starting this week, all domestic aircraft will undergo the same fogging process overnight that we've been using to disinfect international aircraft in the U.S. since February. Second, by early May, aircraft will be fogged before every flight at every station in our network. Fogging is immediately safe to breathe and is similar to what hospitals and restaurants use to sanitize and clean. Before every flight, aircraft will be cleaned using the same extensive checklist as overnight cleanings. This industry-leading change disinfects high-touch areas you care most about being clean, like tray tables, seatback entertainment screens, armrests, and seatback pockets. And if a plane doesn't pass our spot check, employees are empowered to hold the flight and call back the cleaning crew before you board. Finally, we will continue working to offer customers hand sanitizer, while at the same time disinfecting surfaces across Delta Airport touchpoints for the safety of both our customers and employees. Thank you for sharing your support and encouragement. We're ready for you when you're ready to fly.